Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. Saturday Racing, July 19, 2025. Ngayong araw ng Sabado, meron tayong 7 races. Lahat ng 7 karera ay may distansyang 1,400 meter. At patuloy nating i-acknowledge ngayong linggong ito, National Disability Rights Week. Patuloy po ang paggunita sa linggong ito. Starting time ng karera ngayong araw ng Sabado, mas maaga ng kaunti, 4 p.m. alas 4 ng hapon. Umpisahan po natin ang ating mga cool choices. Race 1, winner take all, covers races 1 to 7. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 6, full combat order. Humble observation, laging nagpapahuli o nahuhuli. Bukas, araw ng Sabado, pag ito'y nandun sa within 1, 2, 3 or 4, alam na, toits. Kasi po, kaya naman na ito'y makipagsabayan ng hindi nahuhuli katulad ng kanyang mga huling takbo. Second choice, number 4, Bad Boy MJ. Third choice, number 5, Polite Bell. Number 2, Pick 6, covers races 2 to 7. Mababang grupo, non-placer, grupo 5. Pinaka bagsak na grupo sa lahat, o pinaka lowest group, kasi may placer, may non-placer. So ito na po yung pinaka mababa. Ang ating pong cool first choice, maybe this time na, number 4, Super Hawk. Second choice, number 3, yung expected na llamado, Stark. Third choice, number 1, Rise Up. Sa race 3, pick 5, covers races 3 to 7. Ang ating pong cool first and only choice, number 4, Kankalu Queen. Race 4, pick 4, covers races 4 to 7. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 9, Gold Rush. Second choice, number 4, Ruby Bell. Race number 5, ang ating pong cool first and only choice, number 3, Potential. Race 6, penultimate race, race na may pentafecta. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 8, Carmela's Love. Second choice, number 9, Morning After. Sa likod ng programa, race 7, last race, paratingan, race na may Super 6. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 4, Hot Rat Hearts. Second choice, number 5, Imperial Queen. Third choice, number 10, Static. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!